And then outstanding expenses, say your outstanding rent, outstanding salary, outstanding commission, outstanding printing, outstanding, it is considered generally outstanding expenditure. So here what we do, being it is an expenditure, we write in the profit and loss account, debit side, that is salary. If you have salary, add to the salary. If you have wages, outstanding wages to be added to the wages in the trading account. Basically, sometimes it will come in the trading account also. If outstanding wages is there, added to outstanding wages in the trading account. Outstanding salary is there, added to the salaries in the profit and loss account. Like that, outstanding commission added to the commission in the profit and loss account. And being it is a liability, balance sheet, liability side, balance sheet, liability side. Then coming to prepaid expenses, prepaid or unexpired, prepaid or unexpired insurance, like that, unexpired rent, prepaid rent. We have to pay, for example, say rent we need to pay 1000 rupees, we have paid 1200. That means what happened, 200 rupees we paid in advance. So naturally what we do, profit and loss account, in that concerned expenditure we should deduct from the concerned expenditure. If it is rent, deduct from the rent. If it is salary prepaid, deduct advanced salary, like that. And in the balance sheet we write in the asset side, as it is advanced expenditure, we have paid in advance, so it is an asset to us, hence we write in the asset side. Don't get confused here, this is outstanding expenditure, this is unexpired expenditure. Just like prepaid SIM card, we are paying 1 month before and using, like that here also. And then reserve for provision, reserve and provision for bad debts, reserve of provision for bad debts. 20,000 you have to receive, you may not receive 20,000, 5% we may not receive, so we have to arrange from our end, that is provision or reserve. So temporary basis, if you are arranging provision, it is a long term reserve. So this will be simply profit and loss account debit side, profit and loss account debit side, such provision whatever the percentage you are taking. And then in the balance sheet we should deduct the same amount, should be from the debtors. Jo percentage, whatever the percentage you are taking out, that should be deducted from the debtors. Okay.